Hi everyone, this is Wilson from Places and Foods. The last video I did the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 unboxing video. So this time I'm going to do something a little bit special. I'm going to test the video quality of the Z Fold 3 UDC under display camera. So this is the camera that is under display and I'm currently using the flex mode. So this camera is 4MP and can capture video up to full HD 60 frames per second. So right now I'm capturing the full HD 60 frames per second. I'm driving at my neighborhood right now, so I can drive slowly. So the video you're looking at right now is using the under display camera of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3. So why am I doing this? Because I don't see many people are reviewing this camera, because this is probably the weakest camera among the front camera and the back camera, because the photo quality is only 4MP and the video quality is only full HD. But this is a very important camera because you can use it for Zoom, your daily video call, and this is possible to use it for vlog as well. As you know, the camera is not one of the key features of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The main feature of this phone is the innovation and the design of the whole Z Fold 3. I'm talking about the AMOLED screen with 120Hz, as well as this camera which is hidden behind the screen. So that's the reason why the phone itself is very unique. So what happened right now, it's raining, so the light is pretty low and you can judge how good is the video quality. I've been doing this type of video many times, and this is the first time I'm doing this when it is raining. I think the biggest question about the Z Fold 3 is it worth it to buy this phone? To be honest, this is a start of a new generation of folding phones. I'm very sure within these 2 years there are many other brands will invest in R&D or will compete to showcase their folding phone, and hence you are looking at the beginning of the next big thing, the next innovation. So do you actually need a folding phone? I've been using this for a couple of days, and to be honest, it might look bulky, but actually it is not. I think I written this in my blog as well. In fact, it is very solid. Even when you unfold the phone, it feels really tight, and the feeling and the experience of using it, it's surreal. The visual quality is absolutely stunning, and the audio has improved so much. This is the best Samsung phone with the best audio experience. It's really hard to tell you guys because you need to experience it yourself, especially if you have chance to visit one of your Samsung store. Please experience the audio and the visual as well. On top of that, do you really need the flex mode? Do you really need the fold mode? So say for instance, for the past year, most of us are working at home. Some of us are still work in office. You don't want to carry so many things in your bag, you know, you just bring this and put in your pocket. So when you unfold it, it becomes a tablet. So this is the whole idea of this Galaxy Z Fold 3. And on top of that, like this flex mode, you can do your Zoom meeting, your video call, and your work, or you're watching video. It's so convenient. You just put the phone to any flat surface. You can use a flex mode, and yeah, and that's how user-friendly is this Galaxy Z Fold 3. Like I just put this on the dashboard on top of a rubber mat. You can use this for my video log as I'm driving, but I don't really advise this because there are possibility that you might drop your phone. So this is not a good way of doing this, okay? But I'm just demonstrating one of the unique ways that you can do it. At the end of the day, having this Galaxy Z Fold 3 phone its status. Whenever you bring it out, it becomes the star of attraction, and it creates conversations, especially when you are in business meeting or you are at golf course. It creates attention, it creates awareness, it creates conversation, and that is one of the important things in business life. On top of that, usability, you can open it, you can use it as tablet, whether you want to show your presentation to your client, to your boss, to your colleague, to your friend, or you can like use it to enjoy, to watch videos, to listen to music, you know, to play games, to do your daily social media thing. This is it. So I just did a simple video on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 under display camera. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, just please help me to share it, like this video, or if you have any questions, please do comment, and remember to subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching, everyone. This is the UDC, the under display camera of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3.